The way you should follow today.
Hoodie and blanket. So
Gav, I always remember talking to Leon.
People spending a lot of time in saunas. I saw the Marquez brothers were doing something similar over in Spain before heading here. I wonder what Celestino Vietti's been doing after his victory weekend. I know Zonta van der Gerberg there, he is 16 years back.
Village, and you can see Jurgen van der Gerberg and his son Zonta, and they've both got massive smiles on their faces. You can tell they're living the dream, and he must be so proud for his 16-year-old son to be in Moto 2. I was talking to him actually this year, sorry.
The way you should follow today.